Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then press the notification bell icon for more video you'll be updated. Have you been looking for fitness resistance bands? If so, we suggest that you follow our tips that will guide you as to how to get the best one. Read on to find out more. 1. Get the flat 4 feet bands. We suggest that you opt for long, flat bands since they are versatile. In addition, they are an ideal choice if you want to make a knot for better grip. Aside from this, you may have seen thick straps when searching for resistance bands on the internet. You may want to know that they are too hard to pull. Therefore, it's not a good idea to go for them. 2. Start easily. You should keep in mind that this is going to be a progressive training for fitness. So, what you need to do is get started at a beginner's level and then keep increasing your difficulty level as you get stronger. You should try a lighter band if you can't take the resistance. On the other hand, if it's too easy, you can opt for a heavier band. Make sure none of your muscle or joint aches while you are training. While training, your muscles may get warm but you shouldn't feel pain. Before you begin a new exercise program, we suggest that you get in touch with a health care service provider. If you are over 50, we suggest that you start with the lightest resistance band. Ideally, it's a good idea to choose a 3-pack with a light resistance band. Just don't go for the heaviest band in the beginning or you may hurt yourself in the process. 3. Try 2 3-packs if you have been looking for a light, medium and heavy one for your arms in addition to a looped one for your legs. We suggest that you opt for a 2 3-packs. For your band workout, you can try out a 1 3-pack resistance band. This will be good for your band workout. However, if you are in need of one for your arms and legs, then you should prefer 2 sets. This way you won't have to unfasten your leg bands. 4. Choose a band. By description, each brand comes with its own color schemes. So, you may want to read the description before getting your hands on a band. 5. Latex bands. Latex is used to make most of resistance bands. But if you are allergic to latex, you may want to try a non-scent, latex-free band. As far as buying this type of band is concerned, you have 2 options to choose from, heavier or lighter. Based on your strength level, you can choose one. This is as easy as it sounds. Long story short, if you have been trying to find out the best fitness resistance band for you, we suggest that you keep the tips given in this video in your mind. This will help you buy the best band so you can strengthen yourself easily. Don't forget to subscribe.